Today, I'm going to teach you all about the best way to redact medical records for court reasons. CaseGuard Studio makes this really easy. You can redact one, you can redact a ton at a time. Let's get started. So once I have the software open, I'm going to go ahead and click New Project. Here, I'm going to name my project. The best practice here is to name it something descriptive so that you can always go back to it and you don't have any chance of losing it. So I'm going to name mine Case B12345. So this is my court case number. This way I know that anytime I need to direct somebody to this file or I need to find it again, I named it something descriptive, so I'm never going to lose it. So now I'm going to click New Project. Once your files open up, you want to go ahead and find your medical record. So I need this medical record redacted. This is a bunch of nurse notes. I'm going to click Open. And here it is. You can see in CaseGuard Studio, it's uploaded instantly. I can go through and click through my pages one by one, check them out before I make my redactions. The easiest way to do this is going to be by using AI Document, AI Analysis, and Next. I know that some of my PHI includes names, dates and times, addresses, social security numbers, etc. So I'm going to select those. Under What to Detect and What to Redact, I'm going to click Next and then Apply. In just a couple seconds, all of these documents are redacted. As you can see, we can go through them. All the PII I asked for is redacted. If you want to see what it's going to look like on export, you can switch from edit mode to preview mode. And preview mode is going to show you a detailed look at what all your documents are going to look like on export. If you want an easy way to go through all the redactions that were made after AI analysis, make sure you have this analytics button clicked. And when you do, you should see this tab down here. Click it, and it'll show you all of the PII that it found for redaction. You can sort through them. You can choose to remove the redactions. You can choose to edit them. It's really easy to go through and change any redactions that have been made. So I actually have a lot of medical records that need redacting for court. I don't want to go through and do this to all of them one by one. The best way to do this is going to be with bulk redaction. So I'm going to come up here and click this bulk processing button. Then I'm going to click Document and Next. Then I'm going to click AI Analysis. Next. And then I'm going to select all that same stuff as before. I'm going to say name, address, date and time, social security number, etc. I'm going to click Next. And then I'm going to add files. These are all of the medical records that I need redacted. I'm just going to select all of them, click Open, and here they are. I can view all of them. If I realize maybe, I don't actually need this one, I can go ahead and just get rid of it. But once you make sure everything looks good here, you can go ahead and click Next and then Apply. Here we can watch all of our documents get redacted in real time. These progress bars will show us how far into the process CaseGuard is. And as you can see, it works really, really fast. Almost all of my documents are done in just a couple minutes. As you can see, all my documents were redacted. I can click through them, make sure everything looks good. I can go here and click Open Project Folder, and CaseGuard will open the file on my folder that has all of my redacted documents in it. It'll show you where everything's exporting to, so you never have to worry about not knowing where on your computer your redacted files are located. CaseGuard will take you right to them. And that's the best way to use bulk redaction to redact medical records for court cases.